What's up, guys? It's your boy Nickel. I got another video for y'all. I wanted to show y'all my latest mod in this video. Right now, see if I can get it for y'all. Let's see. There y'all go. Well, it's a shitty view, but it's the Amsoil Universal Oil Filter Kit. It comes, let's see it from the top, it's probably better. There we go. Okay, there we go. This is the Amsoil Universal Kit. It's got a 25,000 mile oil filter on it, spin on. This one also has the bypass, which is good for 60,000 miles. And of course, you know, it comes with the brackets and the hoses and fittings and all that. The only thing you have to buy additional, let's see if I can get you in there, is, well, as close as you're going to get, is the filter adapter. It's a BKM299 is the part number. And the reason I did this is I had it laying around the house from my previous vehicle that I traded in. I wanted to see, you know, if I can get it extended oil changes is what this is for. Plus, I didn't really like the location of where that oil filter is. It's in a stupid location. And every time I changed my oil, it would just spill everywhere. And even with the, you know, plastic bagged oil scalding hot, it was just a giant cluster. So I got rid of it. I went ahead and went this route. As you can see, the hoses are right here. And it's probably, the hoses lengths on those are probably like 6 or 7 inches from where I got it mounted. I got it mounted to the frame right here. I used some carriage bolts and just drilled through the frame on both sides with one long ass drill bit. And then I just bolted them up with lock washers and red Loctite. And that was it. Really simple install. It's just, you know, time consuming. It took me a couple of days to do it, just here and there. And that's pretty much how that goes. I did notice a few things. I noticed the oil pressure dropped just a little bit because of the size of the filters, but it's not nothing significant in my opinion. 2 or 3 pounds is not that big a deal to me. I'm pretty sure you would see some differential drop if you were to do an oil filter relocation kit, something of that extent. Let me show y'all what it looks like as far as oil pressure and oil temp on the inside of the truck. Alright, let's get you in here. There we go. There we go. What is it? 109 degrees, 111 degrees oil temp, 55 pounds of oil pressure.